Chef Gianna here with my friend Audrey, and today we're going to be making rainbow fruit kebab. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need: strawberry, watermelon, cantaloupe, mango, blueberries, grape, and kiwi. So we're going to start with the strawberries. Audrey here. Thank you. The next one is watermelon. One is cantaloupe. I'm gonna get this one. The next one is mango. Next one is kiwi. Next one is grape. And do never forget the blueberries. Yep.
I'm so proud of these girls. Thank you for making this wonderful, healthy, refreshing summer treat.
And there you have it, rainbow